Hello my YouTube beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today we are playing around with the Sephora Favorites Give Me More Lip kit that just launched like not that long ago. I picked this up in my Sephora sale haul. If you missed it, I'll link it down below, but oh my goodness, I'm pumped. I really loved the last lip kit that they came out with. It was so good. It had Patrick Ta, Fenty, it had so many beautiful things, NARS, like it had some nice stuff. And so this looked very similar. It's the Give Me More lip kit. So I was really interested in this because it, number one, has some really nice brands in it. And I really liked the deal that you got on some of these products because you do get some full-size products in here as well. So if you are enjoying the video while you're watching and you're finding it helpful, please give this video a thumbs up so I know. And don't forget to subscribe because I do upload every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. All right, let's go ahead and hop into the actual kit. So this kit retails for $45, but it is a $124 value. So if you were to pick up each of these products like individually, I don't know as much about like the sample size. I don't know what they would retail for. So in this kit, you get so many lips products to try out. I highly recommend this kit. If you do not know what brand you like, what kind of lip product you like, you just get so many options in this kit. You get a Fenty Beauty Steno lip paint. You get a Patrick Ta Silky Lip Cream. You get a Too Faced Melted Matte Lipstick. You get the NARS lipstick, an Ilia tinted lip, a Makeup Forever Rouge Artist lip. You get a Kat Von D Everlasting liquid lip, and you get a YSL Pure Couture. I don't know what that is. Oh, it's just this little thing over here. So you get 4 reds and you get 4 neutral shades in this kit, which is like the perfect, combination here. The full-size products you get in here is the Ilia lipstick, the Fenty Beauty lip, and the Patrick Ta. You get a full-size freaking Patrick Ta lipstick in here. OMG. I really love the Patrick Ta lip gloss that I tried in the other Sephora favorites. I think it was like the lip gloss kit. I am very new to the brand. I have not tried a ton of Patrick Ta things, so I love that they're throwing them in here. But as you can see, there's a lot of big brand names in this kit, so I'm very excited to test them out. The Patrick Ta Silky Lip Cream itself is $24. The Ilia Tinted Lip is $28, which, okay, those two alone pay for the kit. Then you get the Steno Lip Paint, which is $25. So just those 3 products alone are more than this whole kit, and you get like way more stuff in here. So let's go ahead and test them out. I am going to be wearing all of these just so you can see how they are looking on the lips. So I'm going to go ahead and see you guys a little bit closer. Okay, lips, get ready to hurt. Let's go ahead and try the neutral shades first, just because I know that the reds are probably gonna stain my lips. Here's all of the different lip products. Let's just go from like left to right here. We're gonna start out with the NARS. So this is the NARS lipstick in Tolide. I don't know how to say that. This is what the little baby looks like. It is definitely, you can tell it's a sample, but you do get like a decent amount of product in this. I think this is like what you would get if you redeemed your points for a NARS lipstick. I really love the shade. It's like a nice mauvey kind of berry nude. I love when these are brand new and the point is just like amazing. All right, here is the NARS lipstick. It is really pretty, a very unique nude. I think it's a little bit more of that like raspberry tone, but it's still very wearable for every single day. It feels very creamy on the lips. I don't think that this is necessarily going to be a matte lipstick. It does feel like it's gonna slip around a little bit, but I do really like the tone and see myself wearing this. It looks very flattering on like my fair skin, I think. So I do like this one and it feels very comfortable on the lips. All right, here's the process that is gonna be painful. Now let's move on to the Patrick Ta. OMG, I'm so excited. So this is the Patrick Ta Monochrome Moment Silky Lip Cream. First off, the packaging is to die for. I love Patrick Ta's packaging. Let's go ahead and try it out. Silky lip cream. It sounds like I shouldn't need a lip liner with it. This is a nude moment. Wow, this is really creamy. All right, so here is the Patrick Ta Silky Lip Cream. Very pretty, a lot less glossy than I was anticipating because it is more of a cream. It's a very nice like pink beige that I think would be suitable for like a lot of different skin tones. It looks really nice. It's a little bit definitely more nude, like more beige nude than I would normally go for, but it's really pretty and it goes really well with this eye look. It does feel extremely creamy and comfortable on the lips. So, and it has a little bit of a mint feeling going on, so I like that. I like that it's creamy, so it gives a little bit of shine, but it's not like a lip gloss, you know? Goodbye, Patrick Ta. Should have brought a little powder foundation downstairs because I don't know how this is gonna be looking towards the end. So next we have the Too Faced Melted Matte in the shade Sellout. I don't typically wear these, and because they're just like really drying, the one that I did have a while back, like a few years ago, was very drying. But I like the color of it, and if it's not incredibly drying, I will like it. Smells good. This is like almost my lip color. I really like this. Okay, that's really stinking pretty. That is like my kind of color. Dried really quickly, very liquidy formula. Yeah, it's definitely more of a liquid lip, but I love the color. The color is on point, you guys. I really like this. Okay, let's see if I can get it off now. That is the question. Okay, I apologize for the foundation situation around my lips. Ugh. My lips are just gonna get bigger and bigger. It's fine. Like I said, it'll be good that we saved reds for last. Now we have the Fenty Beauty Steno Lip Paint in the shade Unbutton. I don't think I would have bought any of these products on their own because they're just so dang expensive that I don't normally spend lots of money on high-end lip products, but I'm really happy that this gives such an array of different formulas, of different brands. I really appreciate that. Oh, look at this tiny little thing. Oh, okay, much lighter. Very, very liquidy. Okay, I don't know about this. It might be better. I don't know, do I look like I have duck lips? It might be better if I applied it not over like previously darker products, because I think that's what's given me like this weird look, especially around my lips. It's definitely very lightweight, very comfortable, and it does dry down relatively quickly. I think it's just throwing me off because it's like this darker rim around it. I think that this would actually be really pretty during the summertime. It's a lot lighter than I was, I guess, anticipating compared to the other products that are in here, but it's still a very pretty color. Yeah, definitely more of a peachy beige, you know? But I do like it and it feels comfortable on the lips. Now on to the reds. Let's go ahead, and I'm not going to do these in order because I know the Kat Von D one is going to be real hard to remove. So I'm going to do that one last. Let's go ahead with the Ilia. This is the Ilia Tinted Lip Conditioner in the shade Arabian Nights. Also, it's like, is this a lip balm? Are you kidding me? Look how gorgeous that is. Okay, condition my lips. I need it. Okay, so that gives like a really pretty red tint to your lips. I would probably wear this more like just on its own rather than on top of something. It's a little interesting that it's a conditioner, but it like looks like a lipstick. Usually lip balms are just flat, so I don't know. It does feel very nice and soft on the lips, so I can see myself using this on like a daily, I don't need as much makeup kind of day. And I like that it's not super red tinted. I mean, my lips are red, so that might be throwing you off. Let's do this YSL one. Gorgeous packaging, really pretty. Kind of reminds me of Patrick Ta packaging. This is the YSL Rouge Per, what? Rouge Per Couture. Is that the shade? I'm not sure. Oh, that is the creamiest red lip I've ever used. Feels kind of like a lip balm. Okay, this is so incredibly lip balm feeling. I would be a little concerned to wear this just because it will go everywhere, you guys. It looks so shiny though, and it feels very comfortable on the lips. I don't know, it's just like, I think it's just not my cup of tea when it comes to a red lip. I really like matte red lipsticks because I feel like anything that's super glossy is definitely going to get everywhere and all over your teeth and all over everything. However, it does feel very comfortable, very balmy, and very lightweight. Let's see. I want to see if I can make this matte. Let me just use a little towel here. Okay, so you can definitely use a towel and it does help remove the like extreme glossiness of this lip, but looks like it did take a little bit of the pigment away. It's definitely not as vibrant of a red lip at this moment. I can see that color being really nice for Christmas time though. These are just gonna be my lips and it's fine. Let's go in with the Makeup Forever one. Now this is a Makeup Forever Rouge Artist Lipstick in the shade 402 Untamed Fire. I've never tried a Makeup Forever lipstick. Ooh, okay, you get more product in the YSL one, which is interesting. That is a pretty red. Okay, I could definitely like 1000% see myself wearing this at like holiday parties. Let's go ahead and do the same thing that I did with the YSL one because it does apply a little bit more creamy. All right, that helped it a little bit, but I don't feel like it took away the pigment like it did with the YSL one. But very pretty, very like pretty candy apple red shade. And it feels very creamy on the lips even after using a little one of these. I do really like it. It's a very pretty shade. Okay, last one. I'm sorry for the lips. Okay, this one is deep. This is gonna be a vampire red. This is the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Outlaw. Not as dark as I was thinking it would be. Okay guys, this is really pretty. This is a long-lasting, like, kind of lipstick. Very pretty, a little bit deeper than some of the other shades, but I really, really like it. And it dried down matte, like, right away. Out of the ones that I tried, I do have a few favorites. The first favorite I have is this NARS lipstick. I think it was so pretty. I love the shade of this. So unique, and I really love the formula so far. Like, I haven't tried these and worn them throughout the day, but I do really love this one. I really love this Patrick Ta lip and the Too Faced Melted Matte. Both of these are just super, super gorgeous shades and like very comfortable formulas so far. My favorites from the reds are this Makeup Forever lipstick and then obviously this Kat Von D that I'm wearing right now. It is so incredibly gorgeous. Both of these I think I could see myself wearing for a very long time, like to Christmas parties. Even though we're not having them this year, it's fine. I'm still wearing red lips. I just think these are both very pretty tones. The formula feels very comfortable on the lips and I really like them. I do like the Ilia one, but I don't think I would wear it as like a lipstick. I definitely see myself using it more as a lip balm, and some lip balms tend to make my lips more dry. So I'm gonna have to wear it to really see, you know, the formula, if it's going to actually do what it says it's supposed to do. So far, I really love this kit. I think there's so many good options for all ranges of skin tones. Like they definitely have some lighter nudes, they have some deeper nudes, they have some reds, they have some deeper reds, and then also like the candy apple red. So I really, really like this lip kit. If you have your chance to get your hands on it, I think the two lip kits from the Sephora Favorites collection are just so good. You get such a value for what you pay and how much you get. If you guys have purchased any of these lip kits, let me know down below, but I definitely think this one and the Sephora Favorites lip gloss kit is like, they are so 100% worth it. So I think I'm going to wrap up the video. Again, let me know if you decide to pick up this lip kit, and I definitely think if you have someone that loves makeup in your life, you definitely need to get them this because they will love you forever. And it is such a good kit. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up the video here. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.